Does your talking head video feel boring? Poor lighting, shaky footage, or even great footage that just doesn't engage? Don't worry, you are in the right place. I am Shojib Omar, a professional video editor and content creator. With a team of 8 skilled editors, and thanks to my team, we can deliver any videos in 24 to 48 hours if it's urgent. We have worked with 350 plus clients and 1800 plus projects, including international brands and social media creators. We transform average footages into cinematic and engaging visual stories. From color correction to motion graphics, subtitle to smooth cuts, we make your message clear, powerful, and hard to skip. We don't just edit, we deliver your message. We understand storytelling psychology, audience retention, and platform algorithm. Whether you are a coach, entrepreneur, or a YouTuber, we edit with purpose and emotion. Let's bring your vision to life. Send us message today. We are ready to make you stand out.